Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, I'm going to be updating the rear bumper on the 335i. This time I decided to go with the M4 style rear bumper for the 335. Is aftermarket, and I also changed up the exhaust a little bit. Instead of dual tips, now we have quad tips, you know, kind of give it that a little bit of that M4 M3 style kind of look in the back. So guys, let's get right into this video. I'm not going to waste any further time, but first I want to shout out Chikko builds on YouTube. I think he goes by N54 Chikko on Instagram. I literally got this idea from his build because I follow him as well, and his build is pretty dope. So shout out to him. I don't know if he's ever going to see this video, but shout out to him. This is where I got the idea from. But you know, let's get right into this video guys. Sorry for the wind noise, but here is a complete walk around of the car, the exhaust setup. There it is, guys. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people hate these the bumper setup, the M3 style, M4 style bumper setup. I don't know, man. I like it. It's just, I see why people hate it, because the way this area just sticks out a little bit. It makes it look kind of ugly. Like especially if you look at the car from like this angle, it makes it look like it looks terrible from this angle. Just, and then you come from like this angle and then further, it looks great. But if you're looking at it from here like this, it looks bad. I can see why a lot of people hate it. Some people prefer the stock. For me, I don't ride stock anything. I hate riding stock. I don't hate it, but just with this car, you know, you can't ride stock. That's just me. You know, again, from this angle, like this, really, look at that. It looks ugly. But then, if you step back and over, it looks good. You know, it's a win-win. For me, I like it. I don't know. No complaints here from me, but here's the setup, guys. Here's the bumper setup. You know, y'all let me know what y'all think.